how to change chat message sound on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. First, open Truecaller and now click on your profile in the top corner, and then click the settings icon here, and after that click sounds, this one, second one, and here we'll find chat message. Click on it and select settings, and here you can change it, and you can take it from your device, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.